Hey everyone! Today we will be going over maintenance for our Little Dipper 2 probe. Also known as the LD2, this probe measures PTSA in water. Our probes are solid-state instruments that use stable optics and electronics. Therefore, we don't expect any drift in our sensors. If you are getting an unexpected reading that seems like it's attributed to drift, that may simply indicate a need to clean the unit. We would not recommend recalibrating the unit, as this is a band-aid solution that can potentially affect the range and accuracy of the sensor.
So here we have two units reading the same solution of 100 ppb PTSA. The one I am currently holding up has a clean optical face. Here is the second unit with an optical face covered in debris, which is affecting its readings, and you can no longer clearly see the LED. Have a look at these responses in the next section. If we do some comparison between the first clean LD2, it is reading as 12 milliamps in 100 ppb PTSA. Transitioning over to our second LD2 that was dirty, it is reading as 5 milliamps in 100 ppb PTSA. So to clean the probe, we will first try using a clean rag with warm soapy water. Wipe the optical head until it looks clean, and then reinstall the probe. Sometimes it takes quite a considerable effort to remove all of the debris from an LD2. An alternative cleaning agent that you can use would be CLR, which you can get at any hardware store. The process is the same as soapy water. Simply wet the clean rag with the CLR and wipe across the face of the probe, and then reinstall the probe. Hydrochloric acid should be used sparingly and only as a last resort. 10% is the concentration that we recommend, and we also suggest handling the solution with gloves. Now is the time to check and see if the readings have returned to normal. We can see now after cleaning, the values that were originally 5 milliamps have now returned to 12 milliamps, very similarly to our first clean LD2 that we had, that was reading around 12 milliamps as well.
I also want to mention too that even if the LD2 looks clean, it may still be worth giving it a cleaning because it might have some microscopic buildup that's hard to see with the naked eye that could still affect the reading. So anytime you get a reading that is off from what is expected, don't recalibrate. Try cleaning first and then check to see if that helps with the issue. If the cleaning does not have an effect on the probe's readings and those readings were off, we recommend double checking the PTSA content with a different LD2. You could also put the problematic LD2 in a known solution of PTSA and see if it's reading correctly in that solution. If the problem still persists, please don't hesitate to reach out to Turner Designs with any questions or concerns.